With over 30 years of experience in the events and trade show industry, we manufacture and sell pipe and drape and event equipment. We're known for our outstanding quality, hard-to-beat prices, fast turnaround, and exceptional customer service. This is Georgia Expo Manufacturing Corporation. Within our factory, we design and build thousands of event products. Our mission is to create products that you'll use to grow your business, whether it's to rent them out, sell them, or use them for your own installations. We want to share what we've learned from years of experience across multiple industries to create helpful content so that you have the resources needed to grow your business. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to get the newest updates on our products, how-to demos, and latest trends of the event industry.